How to create Etsy account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create the Etsy account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply type www.etsy.com. And now here simply search for it, and here once you search for that, you'll be prompted to the official website of Etsy. Now here once you see the interface like this, simply click on the sign in option, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here once you click on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on register, and after that you'll be prompted to the another pop-up menu. Now here in the email address bar, simply type in your email, and after that simply enter your first name on the next text field. And here once you're done entering your name, simply click on the passport field and simply type the password. And now here once you're done creating your passport, just check the box below that, and after that you can simply click on register button, and that's it. That's how you can create the Etsy account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.